The apple.
The apple. Yeah.
Top left corner.
And then about this Mac. Is there about this Mac? Definitely not.
I don't see it.
Neither do I.
Hey, what's Art Roundup?
Art Roundup? That sounds really advanced. It's like Roundup, but art. Whoa! It's a square. Sheesh.
This is
a little.
This is really.
Okay.
This is
Whoa!
crazy.
You can draw like
Whoa.
on there. It's like you're just clicking and then you hold it down and then you move it around and you draw. It's like a line. Whoa! And it disappeared.
The
How did
stuff,
they?
the
that
stuff
must be like.
they come out with
Yeah.
these days is just
It's insane.
crazy.
There's a pencil. Oh, whoa! You can also do that. If you can like. That's like a pencil. It's like drawing on your computer screen with a pencil, except it's not. It's like your mouse, but you're holding.
It's like real life, but
and that,
on the computer.
What's this square thing?
It's an eraser.
That's. Oh man, this just blows my mind. I mean, with modern technology, how far it's come since like 1990. It's insane.
It's crazy.
Well, I guess we'll just X that out. We wouldn't want to wear it out at all. It is new after all.
Yeah.
This hold music is awesome. I love when they play music.
Yeah.
Woo! So groovy.
Yeah.
Just listen to that groove.
Hello?
Yes?
Does it have a dome?
I'm sorry, a what?
A dome, like on the computer? Is it a dome shape? So I'm not sure what computer this is, I can't see it.
Oh yes, it's actually a box. It's actually a box shaped.
It's a tower?
Yes, yeah, I guess you could say that, yeah, definitely. Oh,
Okay.
and also, also I had another question. I was wondering maybe the problem could be that maybe it's like a too new of a version since it's so brand new. Maybe you like don't have it on your database yet because it's really new. Like I just got it.
Okay. And what did they call it?
A Macintosh Classic. Whoa, screensaver.
Yeah.
Crazy.
Okay, hold on. One moment for me, okay? I'm sorry.
Alright, that's totally fine with me.
Okay.
I just love this music. I'm so
Look at
glad
that,
they
it
just give
says-
us all these holds.
It says 12:17. What time zone is that?
Whoa, it's supposed to be like the advanced time zone. Like the
Like-
time zone in like in the most advanced place on Earth because it's like so advanced. such
Where's
an
the most advanced place on Earth? We have to find it.
Well, that's the biggest place, so that's probably it.
Yeah, I bet that's it.
Definitely.
No. I bet it's that right there.
Oh yeah, definitely, yeah.
Because it's all like concentrated up
Yeah,
there.
I can almost
And
guarantee
yeah,
you
I bet that's the most advanced
that.
place.
Definitely, it's probably from there. What's that called? Oh, it's I can't even pronounce it. It's so advanced.
They're just too smart for us. They've got a whole different language there.
Yeah, it's crazy. Music stopped.
System 6.0.7. What's this? It's way newer than this one.
Yeah, this one's just a piece of garbage. Oh, it's crazy. I don't even. What is that? What is that system?
It says MacBook Pro. What
Pro.
is that?
Pro.
Pro.
So stupid. Why would you want to call it like a
Macintosh
pro?
Classic.
Professional Macintosh. Professional MacBook.
Look at the logo. It's all white. This one's all colorful and
Yeah, this
and
one's like
new.
colorful. So new.
It's better.
Yeah. I love it. It's like a rainbow. I guess we could try inserting the CD again. Maybe.
Yeah, we'll have to try.
It's just like... I don't know. I mean, does it go in that way? Or maybe that's upside down. Maybe sorry about that. I just was too
Do you
excited.
know what OS you're running?
I'm sorry. I didn't understand that.
Do you know what software you're running?
Oh yeah. As in software, as in operating software, operating program, operating system. Well, it's definitely Apple. As it is, very Apple-y. Has a lot to do with the apples. Macintosh. Whatever. Yeah. It's what it says all around it. Oh, that's fine. Yes, go ahead.
Thank you.
Here, maybe like try it on the side.
Oh yeah, there are some slits on the side, aren't there? I bet that's it. Has to be it.
Maybe it goes up here.
Oh yeah.
There's a big one up here.
Big one.
See if it's
now,
reading it.
is it reading it?
No, it's not reading it.
Yeah, well, let's keep trying to push it in this one. This one seems the most promising. It almost fits in this one.
Yeah.
Keeps popping back out. I guess it's hard to read. Well, I guess we could try that again. Yeah, it's not going in that one, definitely. Maybe there's something you can like slide out on the sides to make it bigger.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Or maybe you can make this smaller. Can I like, maybe, you know?
Maybe?
I mean, we could always try these. Those are also.
Yeah. This looks good.
I mean, I've seen on some older versions of the Mac, they have like the side ones.
Oh, yeah.
The ones that are like really flat and kind of black.
This one has a side one.
Yeah, and some of them,
Yeah.
like, they're just the flattened, like, to just the screen.
Well, maybe it's the side.
Okay, so what I'm going to do is get us over to technical support for the desktop and see if they can help you, okay?
Alright, I appreciate that. But, however, I think we just figured it out. So, I'm sorry.
You figured it out?
Yeah, thank you for your time, but
the CD goes in the side, and we were trying to put it in the front.
Okay, I mean, it would have been easier if I told them that we would have time of product it is, but it's okay, it's fine. Next.
yeah, we're sorry.
You don't need any help today?
I'm sorry, what?
So you don't need any more help today, then?
Yeah, that's all we've got. So, thank you for your time. We appreciate it.
You have a great day.
Yeah, you're welcome for calling Apple. Alright, thanks. You too. Well, that's a
Alright,
nice lady.
now let's
Alright.
put this CD in.
Yeah.
It's almost in.
Lost.
Oh.
Okay. It almost fits.
Maybe there's like a button on here or something that'll. There's a cassette player looking thing. Maybe.
Yeah, that's it. That has to be it.
Oh, look at the CD.
Yeah. Well, that's what's supposed to happen, I think, when you like put it in. And then sometimes it like does that. It just spat it out, see? Because it doesn't like sometimes it can't read it. But
maybe it doesn't like the Beatles.
it better not like the Beatles. I mean, that's. Oh. Okay. Well, now it fits in there, so.
There we go.
There we go. Awesome.